Mm-hmm.
You know how there's like when you're walking around the city, you can get crosswind from like the streets.
Yes.
So I got to a corner, and I started feeling the breeze, and I look, and all of a sudden, I look down, and there's a bird that's like, and it's getting like pushed back like this, and he's like, he's trying to go like this, and then he gets pushed back. So he's like, and it just kept on going. I was like, poor bird is gonna go on the street and run over.
Oh my god.
It was so bad. Wait, I was like, I was walking this way and I saw it. It's like, and then there's an owl, and it's like just trying to go back and push back again. Okay.
Story time with Alazar is over.
I looked at it. I was like, shit. Everybody was like, why the hell are you laughing? When I saw it, it was one of those white pigeons.
Were the really fat ones?
It wasn't really fat, but it was white.
Oh my gosh.
Like I tried turning back, but then it went sideways.
I like your impression of this bird.